Okay, so this is the Smith Machine donkey raises. If you get given this, I can only apologize. This is quite rough. So what we're gonna do to start with, grab yourself a step. It doesn't have to be too high. Honestly, it's just so you can be able to get under and above. That's it, just work on those calves. So to start with, is layman's terms, it's plantar and dorsal flexion, which is this. So you're going as high as you can, as low as you can, but we're gonna do it under weight. So ring fingers on, set yourself up, push. Because I'm on a Smith, I have to pull them forward. If I don't, I'm gonna hit the hook, roll them forward. To start with, bring yourself back so you're on the ball of your feet, balls of your toes. From here, I go as low as I can, high as I can, low as I can, high as I can. Do not rush these. Make sure they are nice and strict. This isn't doing much. I need the stretch. I need the stretch. Low as you can, high as you can. If you're feeling brave, what you can do, you can even angle them. Exactly the same. If I aim them outwards, it'll work on the inside. If I aim them inwards, I'm gonna catch on the outside of my calf. Go. Have a go with all three. That's it.